Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of Wilwood promo. We're going to be talking about a complete brake kit. This is going on a 64 F100 with a Porterbuilt front clip, and it's using a Mustang S550 IRS rear. So this one's going to be a little bit different because we actually did a 5x4.5 bolt pattern conversion. Reason for that is to match the rear bolt pattern, which is Ford based 5x4.5. Any Mustang IRS or 8.8 rear, or the Porterbuilt kits are primarily C10 based, so it uses a C10 drop spindle and accommodates all the Wilwood hubs and calipers. So yeah, let's get into it and we'll show you all of the Wilwood components. So we got our C10 drop spindle there. This is a traditional bearing style, and they do sell a new version, which is a sealed hub design, which is basically like a bolt-on hub. That unfortunately does not come in the 4.5 bolt pattern. So this is kind of the traditional style that accommodates traditional hubs, which is nice because you can put different hubs on there and change your bolt patterns. So here's the star of the show here, a nice billet Wilwood hub. Got the caliper adapter, we got the caliper here. Customer chose with the Wilwood red. You can get these in raw anodized, which is kind of like a gray finish. So they come standard in red or black. You can get custom colors from them. They have a whole chart showcasing a whole bunch of different combinations. So if you want to do something custom to match your truck. So this is our 14-inch rotor. They do make smaller kits for, I believe, 12-inch, 13, 14-inch rotors, and some 15-inch rotors, and then the big trucks like Super Duties runs up to a 16-inch rotor. So this one will fit, I believe, minimum of 18s, but if you're kind of doing custom, building a custom truck and custom everything, then it's the size you want to go with. So here we have a nice description on how to do the safety wiring. We're just mocking this up for now. Right, want to get your bearing. It does take a seal. I'm not going to put it in right now. Again, this is all just mock-up. You'll obviously want to grease up your bearings as well. You can do that on a later date. Got a safety washer and then a nut. And then you'll run a cotter pin through the middle of this as well. I'm not going to put the studs in, but obviously it has a stud kit. Well, there you have it. Complete brake upgrade, 5x4.5 brake conversion, and available for pretty much anything. Anything C10 based, Crown Vic suspension, Porterbuilt, Solus Fab, S10, Mustang 2, you name it. If you guys have any questions about any of this stuff, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.